Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing with avocado. First, select a ripe avocado, ensuring it yields slightly to gentle pressure. This creamy, flavorful dressing is incredibly versatile and adds a rich, healthy touch to any meal. It's a fantastic way to elevate your everyday salads with minimal effort. Get ready to transform your greens. Next, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice for that essential tang. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of water to achieve the perfect consistency, plus salt and freshly ground black pepper to season it just right. These few items create magic. Now it's time to blend everything together. Place your avocado, olive oil, lime juice, water, salt, and pepper into a blender or food processor. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and has a uniform, creamy consistency. Take a moment to taste the dressing and adjust the seasonings as needed. You can also add a little more water if you prefer a thinner dressing. Once your dressing is perfect, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 3 to 4 days, making it great for meal prep. Drizzle it over your favorite salads, grain bowls, or even use it as a dip. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.